Manhunt continues for 2 prison escapees in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police are reporting that 2 of 4 men who escaped from the Crossroads police station on Wednesday, June the 20th have been recaptured. The 2 recaptured fugitives, Rohan Brown, who was charged with robbery, and 23-year-old Richard Walker, who was charged with rape and buggery. According to the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit (CCU), both men were apprehended shortly before 11 p.m. Wednesday night on Olympic Way and Diamond Road, both in Kingston 11 respectively. In the meantime, the police said a manhunt is still on for 19-year-old Eustace Powell of Lincoln Road, Kingston 5, who was charged with rape and buggery, and 29-year-old Sanjay Burton, otherwise called Christopher Peart or Michael of Tavern Avenue, Kingston 6, who was in custody on fraud-related charges. The 4 men were reportedly discovered missing about 6 p.m. on the day in question during a routine cell check, and upon closer examination it was revealed that they escaped by cutting through a metal grill. Inspectorate of the Constabulary has since commenced a probe into the incident, and an appeal has been made to anyone with information that can lead to the recapture of Powell and Burton to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 926-8184, Crime Stop at 311 or the Police Emergency 119 number or the nearest police station. The police are also reminding the public that it is a criminal offense to harbor a fugitive.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.